All right, today we're doing prep test 10, which is February 1994, section 2, questions 1 through 5. On the basis of an examination, 9 students, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, 9, are each placed in one of 3 classes. The 3 highest scorers are placed in level 1. The 3 lowest scorers are placed in level 3. The remaining scorers are placed in level 2. So what we know is we have 9 people, we have 3 groups, and we have 3 people in each group. Exactly 3 people in each group. Each class has exactly 3 students. I scores higher than G. G scores higher than both J and K. J scores higher than M. M scores higher than H. K scores higher than both F and L. H scores higher than N. That's it. All our rules are combined into one super rule right here. So from this, we can start our inferencing. Now, I know that these have to be the highest scorers. I has to be number 1. There's nobody left over who can be higher than him or her. G has to be number 2. And then, so we have 1, 2. Who can be third? J or K. Can't be anybody else. So then you ask yourself, who can be 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th? And the answer to that is a little more complicated because it can be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all of these guys have to be in 1. All these guys, J has to be in 1 or 2, but K could be in 1, 2, or 3. So this is all of our board, all of our inferencing, and now we're going to move on to answer the questions. Question 1. How many different combinations of students could form the level 1 class? Well, this is very similar to what we were just asking ourselves. It could be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's it. The answer is B, 2, and we're moving on. Which one of the following students could be in the level 2 class but cannot be in the level 3 class? So who could be in 2? We know that J and K could be in 2. We know that F and L could be in 2. We know that J, M, and H could be in 2. If J was in 1, then M, H, and N could be in 2. But which one of those people could not be in 3? So we know that J has to be in 1 or 2, therefore it cannot be 3. The answer is C, and we're moving on. Which one of the following students could be placed in any one of the 3 classes? Well, we already know that the answer is K, because if it could be in 1, it would be with I, G, K. If it was in 2, then J would be in 1, and it could be K with any of these guys. And if it was in 3, then you could have I, G, J in 1, M, H, N in 2, K with F and L in 3, K is our answer, it's C, and we're moving on. The composition of each class can be completely determined if which one of the following pairs of students is known to be in level 2. So, the easiest way to do this is to go through the answers, F and K. If F and K are in 2, that forces J into 1, and then who's going to make up the third person in the second class? Is it L? Is it M? I don't know. It's not fully determined. Next one, F and M. So if I have F and M, then I have who is in the first class. Is it J or is it K? I don't know. And that doesn't work, so we're moving on. C, H and J. Now if I have H and J in class 2, that means I have to have K in class 1. And if I have H, then I must have M. So I know that I, G, and K have to be in 1. J, M, H have to be in 2. And N, F, L have to be in 3. Answer 4 is C, and we're moving on. Number 5. Which one of the following pairs of students cannot be in the same class as Fred? All right, so we've got Fred here, and we want to know who cannot be with him. Can H and N both be with F? So we have H and N with F, and that's fine if they were in group 3, because we can have I, G, J in 1, and we could have K, L, M in 2, and F, N, and H in 3. So A is incorrect. We're eliminating it, and we're moving on. B, J and L. Can we have J and L with F? Well, if we have I, G, K in 1, we could have J, F, L in 2, M, H, N in 3. Answer B is incorrect. We're eliminating it, and we're moving on. C, can we have K and L with F? Well, if we have I, G, J in 1, K, L, F in 2, M, N, and H in 3, then that works. So we're eliminating answer C, and we're moving on. J and M. Can I have J and M with F? If I have I, G, K in 1, J, F, M in 2, and L, H, N in 3, they're together. That answer is eliminated. The correct answer must be E, but let's double check anyway. E says L and M. Can L and F and M be in the same group? Well, we have I, G, J in 1, and you need the K, the F, and the M. It doesn't get the L in there. If you have the I, G, K in 1, then you need the J to get the M, and then you don't have room for the F or L, and they cannot be together. E is the answer, and you've got 100% correct answers. Just to review, 1B, 2C, 3C, 4C, 5E.